ป้องกับรถ
Oh!
Not a bad drop.
The whole squad. Oh my. Man, this motherfucker is no chance. It's alright, we're still here. Still alive, still alive. That's all it is.
They just sitting in there. Two niggas sitting in there. As soon as you go through the door, they right down at the bottom. That's weird.
Where them blue lights going? Hell, people on me.
Don't come down here, nigga. In here.
Yeah, I sniped his aid, nigga. He's going up!
Up and down.
No!
Yeah, he's laughing.
Yo, one left, one left.
There's three of them niggas done this whole team that are just sitting in the bottom.
Hello, motherfucker.
Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
Say hello to Papa.
The squad mate's back on station. Good work.
Yo, I'm hot right now. I ain't playing for nothing.
Oh, where's that? Oh yeah, up there. Hey, buddy. Huh. Pick again, buddy. Huh. Pick again, buddy. Huh. Where are we?
See those people fighting?
Yeah. Oh, he's sniping. Head glitching. Yeah, he's head glitching like.
I got him, I got him! I got him!
Yeah, that cracked him. Yeah. Hopefully he doesn't have a self. He probably does. Yeah. Or his team's up there. We'll give it a go. We'll give it a go. Hello, we're here. Coming to be nice. We don't have a problem. He's inside. Yeah, stop snapping. He ran down.
Coming in with you.
Hello.
Oh,
Got him. Get out.
another one coming in right now.
I'll avenge you, Rook.
Nice. One in the bottom. Right there, right there. Where are you running to, boy?
Where's your bitch ass going?
All of them is on the loadout right now.
Oh.
Got zip line right now.
Oh, it's gone. Huh? Sorry, Blue.
Damn. No. No way.
Whoa.
That
Anybody
gun.
tap me?
That gun is kind of fucked up. Like. No, still alive, yo. 10 seconds. They're surrounding you guys. Forget about the loading. For now. Nice. We're back. We're back.
on.
That shit. That shit's tasty, that shit's
Squad
tasty.
mates back on station. Good work. You have reinforcements inbound.
Oh hell yeah you do.
Yeah, there's already people here.
You're trash.
Some of your squad is outside the safe zone. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Enemy dropping into the AO. Remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
In Miami, with my strike.
Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
Oh no.
Enemies in
Oh hell yeah about it. You'll go up on here?
Inside. Lying.
Get back, lady.
Fuck. Let me try.
Fire sale is active. Buy station prices are adjusted.
You ain't, yo. Nice area you got.
Get out.
Get ready. You're redeploying.
Alright, I think the Ludo is ready now. Should be ready now. Oh
Look.
no.
Yeah.
Resurgence is about to end. Make
Oh
it
yeah.
count.
I see. Oh no.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh man. Fuck's sake. Where's my vape? I need a vape.
Hostile shooter. Be advised, you still have squad mates outside the
What
safe
crash
zone.
gun is he using?
Same to you, soldier. Stay sharp. You have reinforcements inbound. Enemy dropping into the AO.
It's trash.
Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest.
Kill him, bro. It's only one. It's only one over there. Kill him. It's only one. He's still in the door. Same door he killed me at.
There's people on us, man. Be careful.
Right there, behind you, Green. Behind you.
Behind you, Green. And behind you, Rogue.
Nice.
You out.
Mate is redeploying. Well done. You're getting another chance. Weapons.
GG's, Rogue.
Be advised, resurgence is no longer active.
You pop.
This is for keeps.
Yeah, they're all at
Enemy
the...
UAV is online.
People's just been brought back.
Supply crates to restock. Advise you to load up now.
Oh, fuck me. Chill, G.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Oh no.
Enemy
They just enter that like slot.
Anybody getting me?
Wait.
You got a good sniper.
Yes! You fuck! You made them like a bitch, bro. What the fuck? That guy kill us both? No way.
¡Puta madre! What is this thing? This is some kind of cord. And this is some kind of...
Lumina.
Oh, shit. What'd you say, bro?
No?
What'd you say?
No, I'm talking to my brother. Kicker.
Oh, shit. Oh, I'm going crazy.
This is Shadow 01. Deployment to the Warzone has been authorized. Resurgence. Survive to redeploy fallen teammates. Kill to bring them back faster. Your team leader.
Just me and you?
What the fuck happened?
Yo, we gotta communicate, man. Go to this building right here. No, not that one. Oh, man, you already hear about them.
You cannot kill me, bro. I'm too good.
From that squad. Hunt them down. Enemy soldiers.
There's another guy here.
Where is he?
Hostiles have established a SAM turret.
Gibson.
It's around here. Got him.
Anybody else?
Yeah. Another one coming in.
I see him over here.
We've got 10 squads active in the field.
Another one landed us on us.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Hostile UAV in the area.
There you go.
Kill one.
With the rest of them.
Damn, what kind of gun, bro? Damn.
Alright, I'm gonna jump off for a second, alright?
Alright, my man. Alright, then. Dillo. I see that it's only you, so I was like, alright, let me change this nigga.
How's me too?
Zieht Ramadan. Yeah, person. Vamos ganhar pela Rixese, Bauia. Nga area 99. Kalu.
Ship to? Ship to?
Victor Lu.
Ship.
Jake 16 kills, bro. I got 16 on one of those shit. I gotta make it 20.
Scared the crap out of him.
It's not gum candy. Ask Brenda if we got one more. Watch out, be careful. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. What? What is it? What do you see?
All stations, green light. We're deploying to the war zone.
There. Hey.
Where we going? Where y'all wanna go? Mike, check.
Hold on.
I gotta, I'm gonna see, should I hit bio? How many people going?
Enemy UAV is online.
Buy one filet of fish, Big Mac, or 10 piece McNuggets. Add one for just $1. Prices of participation may vary. Cannot be combined with any other offer or combo. Valid for items exceeding the lesser value.
Hey, want the secret to my record-breaking mattress sales? Oh, it's AT&T 5G. No, it's because I am. I saw what 5G. Yeah, it's the 5G device. I crave. It's still the 5G. Faster than ever. But what about my whisper? It's not a whisper. Google that.
Oh, shit.
I'm out here, bitches. Woo!
Eyes on enemy.
They got a stronghold. Got a stronghold.
Reinforcements inbound. Enemy soldier incoming.
Where you at, Jeff? You over there with them?
Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting. Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt.
Right there, he's right there. On the wall, on the wall. Yo, that gun is good.
Your squad mate's back on the fight. Good work. Resurgence. Don't get your revenge. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
Get down here and get your specialist.
Enemy counter UAV inbound. Hostile UAV
Yellow,
in
blue.
the area.
About to be in the gas. This nigga's missed it, bro. It is.
Did I really caught, bro? That's crazy.
Damn, I missed everybody. I missed every shot.
Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. Enemy dropping into the AR.
Wow.
Sue in the building.
Another one behind you.
Ah!
Oh my god!
How you?
You see me?
Put the gun away. Run, nigga, run. Why you run from more people?
Oh shit!
Ah, my
shit. Alright.
Alright, man. Let me
Nigga,
get this over.
Alright.
Alright, bro.
No, I didn't feel right.
He'll probably rip that one up, so probably not.
Is it soft?
Yeah.
It's soft.
Oh, yeah, no. I choke on it.
I know. That's why I just did it one time, and I knew he wasn't anywhere.
It doesn't roll like that. The speed of it.
In the sound, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, which one, buddy? Look. No, not look.
Anything on your glasses?
I haven't called. Should I call? I feel bad.
Yes. Why would you feel bad about calling you about your prescription?
I don't know.
The real thing's coming soon.
Who knows? The silence was.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the side.
Who is it? The barbecue one?
That's the May.
Didn't May already pass? Oh wait, no.
All stations, we're clean to go. Stand by for deployment.
It doesn't take any wounds.
First of all, you did this, and now you're trying to do that, and it's too much.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I got distracted. Let's go, guys. But Mom.
Resurgence.
Mom.
Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets to bring them back faster.
Do we not have
What
a
haircut?
full teammate?
No, he left. Oh, jeez, what haircut are you getting, Kaleo?
You don't know yet?
No. You have it on your phone. I did.
What haircut is Kaleo getting?
I know. You know, he needs to get it cut more than usual, so.
I need to get cut more than you.
What's this one?
So, just a lineup.
And put it down.
So like maybe this one.
Marking the rest of them.
Or this one.
This one looks better.
Anything you pick, what you got?
Additional target added while time remains. Enemy UAV overhead. located the rest of them. All bounty targets are KIA. Well done.
Mom, last time I think I got, what is it, a load feature? Or I don't know what those things
Enemy UAV is online.
What is a taper and a high? I want a high feature. Yeah, I know. But what's the taper?
Redeployed. Well done. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting. To the safe zone.
I hope on Friday. How straight it is? Yeah, it's super. It bends in way more. What the heck?
You're back to the station. Don't get after it.
Oh, that's what you got too, right? Yeah. Let's see. See? The holes are like that. But that's why I'm really flexible. And the doctor said that I don't have problems like some people do with their joints like that, or the hip. But now I have. I'm able to. Yeah, because it can go too far.
There's one guy that's down over there.
Where?
Really?
They're all over the helicopter.
There's one on the roof over there still.
I'll aim the hell out of them.
Back on station. Good work.
Wait, Mom, can't you do?
Hostile UAV in the area.
No, look. Usually if we don't able to do that, I'm going to do it. Pops. Because it's like shifting the socket, you know? Wow. Well, it's only noon. You're gonna
Yeah, I just saw that. It's dropped out of me too.
I can only have 4 a day.
Oh my god.
You have reinforcements inbound. Squads active in the field. Gas is closing in.
UAV available for that.
Get a UAV on grid.
Oh, you see that?
Assault pack located.
Mission timeline expired. UAV entering the AO.
There's a team here. I keep knocking them.
That was close.
Bro, how many bullets, bro?
soldier incoming.
Stop running, nigga. I'm doing all that running. Woo. I'm getting shot from up there now. Good lord.
Got you.
We've located the rest of them.
W.
Damn, what the fuck?
From where?
From the stairs.
Only 25 left. Keep
Am I really out of bullets?
He was just sitting right there with our teammate.
Oh my god. I could have killed both of them. I ran out of bullets. I forgot to reload.
No, they got
Actually, I
6
pressed the
kills.
reload button.
That's why I'm being flexible. And the doctor said that I don't have problems like some people do. Was it joints like that? Was it? But now I have. Yeah, because it's no. But now I have. Yeah, because it's no too far.
There's one guy that's down over there. Really?
They're all over the helicopter.
There's one on the roof over there still.
back on station. Good work. Hostile UAV in the area.
Got some steppers.
Enemies dropping into the AR. Enemy soldier incoming. Prep time's over. Now you deploy to the Warzone. Resurgence.
Time sleep.
Survive
Go
the
sleep
time
coming on my
for
tea.
redeployment. Earn points to speed up the countdown.
Help you. Titi meme.
Precision airstrike available. Enemy airstrike in the area.
It's alright, it's alright.
I'm not your enemy. You're getting another chance. Weapons free. We've got 10 squads active in the field. Enemy UAV is online. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
I don't know why I play alone. I don't go play multiplayer.